Hello everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these two beautiful love cards. So let's get started. I'll start with this card first, then we will go for the next one. First, I'm embossing 35% of my sheet with embossing folder through my die cut machine so that I'll get a result something like this. Now I'm going to die cut down different leaves as well as these little flowers also. I'm die cutting as much as I can because this will be useful for our next project also. Now to get empty heart shaped die cut piece, I'm running these two heart shaped dies at a time like this through my die cut machine. To keep the dies at their position while die cutting, I have secured them with the artistic tape. After die cutting the required dies, I'm going to arrange that leaves dies on the back side of my hollow heart in such a way that it covers the empty space of heart. To attach the leaves on heart, I have used here glue. Glue will help to make the adjustments while attaching. If you didn't get where to apply the glue on leaves, just apply the glue on the border of heart from back side and keep this heart over the leaves so that it automatically get attached. Once leaves got attached, I am attaching flowers on that leaves. You can see here I have already colored the flowers off camera. To enhance the look of flower, I am attaching some pearls on that. Now for the love you sentiment, I have already die cut down this love you word. Plus, to show continuity to the sentiment, I am going to use here balloon thread dies. To match the flower color, I am going to color the sentiment with the same color as that of flowers. To color, I have used here Distress Oxide ink pads. Now I am assembling whole card. Before directly attaching the sentiment on the embossing part, first I am going to attach a strip of transparent sheet over the embossing area and then I am going to attach my sentiment as well as that extending part. All the materials I have used here are listed in the description below. So if in case you want to refer any, you can have a look on that. After this, I am taking out my heart-shaped design, trimming the extra leaves part coming out of the heart. Then, with the help of double-sided foam tape, I am going to attach that over the sheet. And finally, with the help of double-sided tape, I am going to attach this top on my main base card. My first card is ready now. Let's move towards my second card. For the second card, I am embossing each corner of the paper as shown in video, but making sure that the center part of the paper remain unembossed. The best way for this is first define center of each side, then emboss the triangular area which come under the line joining two middle points of consecutive sides. our output will look something like this. Now I'm making a faint ring at the center with the help of distress oxide ink pads. After that, I'm arranging all my leaves around that ring. And after satisfied with the arrangement, I'm going to attach them permanently. For this card, I have used 3 different leaf dies over here. For attaching the leaves, I'm going to use here glue only. After this, I'm going to color my hard dies that I have already die cut down. To color these heart shaped dies, I'm going to use same distress oxide ink pad as that of the color of center ring. After I colored the heart, I'm going to attach them at the center. For attaching one of the heart, I'm going to use here glue, while for the other, I'm going to use double-sided foam tape so that it will look like a heart behind other heart. Now, for the final touch-up, I'm going to add some flowers on top of that pulse over here. After this, I'm attaching this whole card on the top of my base card. And for the sentiment, I have used here die cut piece of word love. So my second card is also done now. This is the final look of both the cards. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Please comment below which one was your favorite. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.